Are you ready to embark on a transformative 21-day journey to a healthier, happier you? Join us as we explore the incredible world of the smoothie diet, created by board-certified health coach and nutrition expert Drew Skoudas. Drew Skoudas is a visionary in health and wellness. With over 23 years of experience, he has crafted a program that goes beyond weight loss. It's a lifestyle transformation. Drew's smoothie diet community has collectively lost over 40,000 pounds and achieved lasting results. So, what sets the smoothie diet apart? It's simple. For 21 days, replace 2 of your daily meals with delicious, nutrient-dense smoothies. Worried about snacks and whole meals? Fear not. The Smoothie Diet Guide includes sample meals, snacks, and even vegetarian options. Planning made easy. But why is the smoothie diet so effective? Weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. Drew's program eliminates harmful foods, boosts metabolism, and reduces cravings without leaving you hungry. The results speak for themselves. Thousands have achieved incredible transformations. Dive deep into the features of the smoothie diet. With 36 delicious recipes, weekly shopping lists, and a 21-day rapid fat loss plan, this program ensures you know exactly which smoothie to have for maximum results. Convenience meets effectiveness. Real people, real results. Hear from those who've embraced the smoothie diet by clicking the link in the description below. The best part? You have the flexibility to include a flex day every week, enjoying 3 regular meals. It's a diet that adapts to your lifestyle, making it easy to manage, even with an unpredictable schedule. Ready to join the smoothie diet community? Whether you want to lose 10 or 70 pounds, this program is designed for you. It's not just a 21-day fad, it's a sustainable, healthy eating plan. Visit the link in the description to learn more and claim your freedom. Cheers to a healthier you. Thank you for watching. Don't miss out on this incredible journey. Subscribe, like, and share to spread the goodness of the smoothie diet. Stay healthy, stay happy.